Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming iOS and the app you'll use to edit. This matters because features differ by version. Once done, record a short test clip to capture the baseline noise so you can compare. Plug in a wired microphone or position the phone away from fans and open windows. This reduces new noise while you work. Make sure to save the original file before editing so you can revert if needed. You'll now remove noise using the app's tools step by step. In voice memos, tap the three dots, choose Edit Recording, then use Enhance. It applies broad noise reduction automatically. If you're editing video, open the clip in Photos, tap Edit and enable Reduce Background Noise when available, then Preview. For fine control, import the file into a third-party app and use spectral or adaptive noise reduction, adjusting strength until speech sounds clear without artifacts. You finish by critically listening to exports at typical playback volume and comparing to the original. This ensures you didn't overprocess. Once satisfied, export at a high bitrate or use the original video export settings to preserve quality and keep the original file as a backup. If you hear breathing, underwater tones, or metallic artifacts, reduce the noise reduction amount or run a gentler multiband pass. This balance
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.